1. With Sikh Guru and his Bani, holy verse, is not correctly matched. A. Guru Arjan Dev Ji Sukhmani Sahib. B. Guru Amar Das Ji Anand Sahib. C. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Asandi War. D. Guru Ram Das Ji. Right answer is Guru Ram Das Ji. 2. Mardana was the devoted Muslim follower and companion of which Sikh Guru? A. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. B. Guru Nanak Dev Ji. C. Guru Arjan Dev Ji. D. Guru Gobind Singh Ji. The right answer is Guru Nanak Dev Ji. 3. How many shlokas of Sheikh Farid have been included in the Adi Granth? A. 112. B. 118. C. 132. D. 122. The right answer is 132 shlokas. 4. Who amongst the following was not associated with the Gadar party? A. Tarak Nath Das. B. Maulvi Barkatullah. C. Vishnu Ganesh Pingle. D. Ganesh Shri Krishna. The right answer is Ganesh Shri Krishna. 5. Doab word has been taken from which language? A. Arabic. B. Persian. C. Urdu. D. Hindi. The right answer is Persian. 6. Satluj River enters the Shivalik Hills at which of the following place in Punjab? A. Rupnagar. B. Anandpur Sahib. C. Nangal. D. Noorpur Bedi. The right answer is Nangal. 7. Punjab constitutes how much percent area of the total area of India? A. 1.5. B. 2.5. C. 3.5. D. 2.2. The right answer is 1.5. 8. Sirhind Canal originates from the river Satluj at A. Rupnagar. B. Sirhind. C. Nangal. D. Talwara. The right answer is Rupnagar. 9. The Election Commissioner of Punjab is appointed by A. The Governor. B. The Speaker. C. The President. D. The Chief Minister. The right answer is the Governor. 10. How many seats are reserved for women in all panchayats in Punjab at all levels? A. 1/4. B. 1/3. C. 1/2. D. No reservation. The right answer is C. 1/2. 11. Which of the pairs is wrong? A. Novelist Nanak Singh. B. Short story Sant Singh Shekhon. C. Poetess Amrita Pritam. D. Critic Balwant Gargi. The right answer is D. Balwant Gargi. 12. Which of the following rivers is associated with the love story of Sohani Mahiwal? A. Jhelum. B. Chenab. C. Sindh. D. Ravi. The right answer is B. Chenab. 13. Which victory dance is recognizable by swaying movements of the head? A. Dankara. B. Julli. C. Ludhi. D. Sami. The right answer is C. 14. Mera Rusi Safarnama has been written by A. Balbir Singh. B. Prithviraj Kapoor. C. Balraj Sahni. D. Bhai Ram Singh. The right answer is C. Balraj Sahni. The famous Sikh leader Banda Bahadur was captured and executed during the reign of the Mughal Emperor. A. Aurangzeb. B. Bahadur Shah I. C. Jahandar Shah. D. Farrukh Siyar. The right answer is D. Farrukh Siyar. 17. Which of the following is out of the purview of Article 21 of the Constitution? A. Capital punishment. B. Right to livelihood. C. Sexual harassment of women at workplace. D. Right to life. The right answer is A. Capital punishment. 18. For how much time a person who is not a member of either House of Parliament can also be appointed as a minister? A. 2 months. B. 3 months. C. 6 months. D. 9 months. The right answer is C. 6 months. 19. The Election Commission advises whom of the following on matters relating to the disqualification of members of state legislature? A. Governor. B. Chief Justice of High Court. C. Chief Minister. D. Speaker. The right answer is A. Governor. 20. What do we call the process in which no exchange of heat energy takes place between the gas and the surroundings? A. Adiabatic. B. Isothermal. C. Isochoric. D. Isobaric. The right answer is A. Adiabatic. 21. The greenhouse effect is produced due to the presence of excess amount of A. Sulfur dioxide. B. Nitrogen dioxide. C. Carbon monoxide. D. Methane. The right answer is D. Methane. 22. Which among the following is the permissible noise level for residential areas for daytime as declared by CPCB? A. 55 decibels. B. 60 decibels. C. 75 decibels. D. 90 decibels. The right answer is A. 55 decibels. 23. Which of these layers of the atmosphere consist of the ozone layer that is responsible for absorbing UV light? A. Troposphere. B. Mesosphere. C. Stratosphere. D. Rhodosphere. The right answer is D. Rhodosphere. 24. Which country is the highest contributor of per capita greenhouse gas emissions? A. China. B. USA. C. Russia. D. India. The right answer is B. USA. 25. Choose the incorrect acid source pair. A. Citric acid lemon. B. Lactic acid sour milk. C. Oxalic acid and sting. D. Methanoic acid nettle sting. The right answer is C. Oxalic acid and sting. 26. Which of the following is not a part of the flower? A. Petals. B. Sepals. C. Pistil. D. Pericarp. The right answer is D. Pericarp. 27. A market structure dominated by only a few firms is called A. Perfect competition. B. Monopoly. C. Oligopoly. D. Monopolistic competition. The right answer is C. Oligopoly. 28. Which article in the Constitution of India deals with the annual financial statement? A. Article 111. B. Article 112. C. Article 123. D. Article 223. The right answer is B. Article 112. 29. When too much money is chasing too few goods, the situation is A. Deflation. B. Inflation. C. Recession. D. Stagflation. The right answer is B. Inflation. 30. In which year Lala Lajpat Rai was deported to Mandalay for organizing the agrarian movement in Punjab? A. 1905. B. 1907. C. 1909. D. 1911. The right answer is B. 1907. 31. The objective S of the Cooker movement in Punjab was A. To purify Sikh religion of its abuses and superstitions. B. The revival of Sikh sovereignty. C. The revival of Khalsa. D. Both A and B. The right answer is D. Both A and B. 32. Which among the following acts is also known to be a beginning of the parliamentary system in India? A. Indian Councils Act 1892. B. Indian Councils Act 1904. C. Indian Councils Act 1909. D. Government of India Act 1919. The right answer is A. Indian Councils Act 1892. 33. Who among the following was the first martyr of the revolt of 1857? A. Palu Khan. B. Israel Pandey. C. Mangal Pandey. D. Amar Singh. The right answer is C. Mangal Pandey. 34. The Bardoli Satyagraha was led by A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Morarji Desai. The right answer is C. Vallabhbhai Patel. 35. Which Indian team won the Ranji Trophy title in 2023? A. Bengal. B. Saurashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Madhya Pradesh. The right answer is B. Saurashtra. 36. Which is the venue of the Asian Games in 2023? A. India. B. China. C. Indonesia. D. Nepal. The right answer is B. China. 38. Which was the first Indian movie to win an Oscar in the category of Best Costume Design? A. Slumdog Millionaire. B. Mother India. C. Gandhi. D. Sholay. The right answer is C. Gandhi. 39. The timeless Indian novel, Devdas, was written by A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Mirza Ghalib. D. Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay. The right answer is D. Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay.